What is good, everyone? Is a boy Don Team back again, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money using blog and AdSense with other several ways you can actually make money using your blog, right? So stick with me. But before that, I'm actually going to be showing you guys the proof of how much I've made from the recent blogs I've been handling, because I actually gave up on blogging some times ago, all right? But I just got back to blogging, and I really have some AdSense approved. And yeah, let me just show you guys. So this is one of it, all right? So in the month of June I made $151, July I made $157, this August, and things are really getting crazy, and I've made $160 just this month, right? So I'm going to refresh this thing so that you guys will see that this is not some fake screenshots and photoshops and stuff. So let me go ahead and refresh it. All right, so it's loading. Let's wait for it to load, and let's wait for it. All right, takes a little time, and boom, so everything is still intact. All right, so in my country, to get the AdSense verification pin, it takes a very long while. So for the past 3 months I've been monetized in this AdSense account, and I've been earning money, but yet I've not received my pin, and that's why I've not been able to verify this. So this is it for AdSense. All right, stick with me, let's hop into this video. And before then, this is my channel. My name is Don Team. All right, so this is actually my channel. I do a whole bunch of videos ranging from cryptocurrency to how to make money and affiliate marketing and a whole bunch of other money related topics, and I believe you guys are going to vibe with my content. So please, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and make sure you turn on your post notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I drop a video. All right, so with that being said, follow me on Instagram and let's hop into the video properly. Okay, this is one of my blogs that I actually gave up on, like I said. So if you check the all-time view, I have 21,000 views on this blog, right? So I have not been like active on this blog, and this is actually the name of the blog. I'm not going to show you guys the link. All right, if you type this on Google, it's not going to show up because I'm no longer working on this blog. All right, if you check, I did all my posts and I only have 1 post left. So this blog, I actually got my first AdSense approved using this blog. Then I went on to do self-clicking, and I ended up getting myself banned from using Google AdSense. All right, but I didn't give up. I handled a whole bunch of other blogs. If you look right here, I have a whole bunch of them. All right, a whole bunch of them, and yeah, so it is what it is. And I just opened a new blog just this week. All right, like 7 days ago I opened a new blog, and as you guys can see right here, right, just to last I think 2 days ago I got 7,800 views, and yesterday I got 982 views, and today I've gotten 100, let's just say 200, right? So the first day I opened the blog, I only got 10 views. The second day 338, the third day, so it's just like 5 days into the whole thing, and this blog I've been able to generate 9,440k views. So let me go ahead and refresh this so that you guys will see. Okay, let me refresh the first one so that you guys will see that this is not some fake screenshots and stuff. Okay, so I just applied for an AdSense for this site. All right, I never knew that you can use multiple AdSense for sites, right? I never knew that you can do that. Never knew that you can use one AdSense for multiple sites, but I just got to know that after I got like 2 of my AdSense approved. All right, with one getting banned and the other one still active, and that's one I've used to earn that amount. But I don't want to use it for this website that I just created. I want to have multiple AdSense accounts because things might get crazy along the way, and you can get banned from using it. So I don't want to put all my eggs in one basket. All right, so with that being said, let's get started with the whole thing properly. So to get started, just go ahead and type in blogger on your search engine. So type in blogger. So the very first one that will pop up is the main blogger site. Just go ahead and click on it. So if you click on it, it's going to bring you on this page. Just make sure you have your Gmail standby, because with your Gmail you're already having an account with blogger, because blogger is actually owned by Google. So go ahead and click on this sign in button. Boom, it's going to bring you to a page where you get to input your Gmail. So I'm going to use another account. So this actually the page is going to pop up if you've not handled any blog before. So you have to input in your details, right? Input in your mail and everything. And so I'm going to go back and then log into one of my accounts, because there is no point logging in because I have them saved right here. Okay, so let me go ahead and use Team TV. For your new account, it's not going to show you all of this. This is actually a new account, that's why it's showing you this. Okay, so for a new account, you can actually use one Gmail to create like 20 blogs, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click on this new blog. So once you log into your mail, it's going to bring you to this page where you get to choose the name of your blog. Okay, so let me just say more money gang. All right, so I tapped double A. Okay, more money gang. So let's click on next. So it's going to bring out the page where you get to choose the address. So let's just say mmg gang. Oh, the name is taken. All right, okay, mmg gang tv. The name is available. So if you look closely here, it said this blog address is available. So you have to like input names to get the one that is available for you and click on save. If you click on save, it's going to save the blog and your blog will be live. So this is the interface you're going to see once you create a new blog. Right, once you create a new blog, this is the first interface you're going to see. So if you want to see your blog, go ahead and click on view blog. So if you click on view blog, this is the page that is going to pop up and everything is still empty. And this is actually the blogger theme that comes with Blogger. So I'm going to show you guys how to actually change that to look like a professional blog. Right, so let me go ahead and close the tab. And yeah, so if you want to make your first post, this is the first post. Just click on new post. If you click on new post, it's going to bring you to this page where you get to input the title of the post. So let's say the title of the post is Team TV, and you just have to type in whatever you want to type. Okay, and just give it a label. Say let's say this is about and let's say you're into the making money niche or maybe weight loss niche and stuff. So this one might be about like weight loss and stuff, weight loss. So you can just label it that weight loss. All right, so that is it for now. Just leave everything the way it is. All right, so just you can preview before posting and preview. So let's allow it. So this is actually how it's going to look. You can impute pictures. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. If you want to impute pictures, just click right here and you can use Blogger. You can upload from your computer. Currently I don't have any picture in this new blog, so there is no picture that is going to show. So just click on it, click on upload from computer and choose file. I'm not supposed to show all of this because this will actually take a whole different video for me to show everything. So you can click on any one picture you want to upload, then once it's done uploading, just click on it and select, and to come up right here you can go ahead and adjust it. Like you can tap on it, then you can adjust it, toggle it around, maybe expand it and stuff. So it's just it, and once you're done you click on publish and the blog is gonna be live. So let me just go back and show you guys a whole bunch of different things. Right, so for you to get approved on AdSense, you need to have very good posts. Let's just say 10 posts at least. For me, like for you to get approved, I need to start deriving traffic to your site. Right, and the best way to derive traffic to your site is by writing organic content. If you're copying and pasting on your site, you're not going to get approved. Right, Google expects you to dish out content that are actually yours and no copyrighted content and stuff. So if you want to see people visiting your site, just click on stats. You will see people that are visiting, a whole bunch of other things that I can't really go into in this video. So if you want to change your theme, this is where you get to change your theme at the HTML part. But if you don't know how to edit HTML, don't go here because it might ruin your blog. All right, so these are other themes that you can also change your site to. If you want to change to anything, just come right here and tap on it. If you tap on it, click on apply to apply, and if you check your site you realize that the theme has actually changed. So let's view the site. So that's changed. So let's get back to business. Now our aim in this video is actually to start earning from blog, and I believe if you're watching this video you already know what blog is, and this is actually how to set it up, a very quick way to set it up. All right, so if you want to change your blog address to .com or .anything you want to change it to, if you realize right here we have it as .blogspot. So if you want to change it from this blogspot to only .com, right, I'm going to show you guys sites and web hosters that can do that for you, but you can actually use to do it. So if you are from my country, You can use Domain King. I'm from Nigeria actually, and for me I've been using Domain King, and that's the one I used for all those sites that I own. So it's very cheap. That's why I always recommend it. If you want .com is actually okay, this is actually for domain registration. Okay, they have the price right here. So for .com is actually 5,500. That's actually around some couple of dollars. So .com.ng is 1,100 naira. .ng is 9,000. Very cheap, right? These are some couple of dollars that you can just use to do that. Or if you're not from my country, or even if you're from my country, you can also use this one I'm going to show you, which is Namecheap. Namecheap, their own is cheap, like the name says, it's cheap. .com is actually $5, which is equivalent to that 5,000 that I just showed you guys. Not up to do, so that's just it. So all this link, I'm going to put the link down there in the comment section and also in the description section, so you can use my link. That's my referral link. You can use it to register and buy your domain. Very cheap, very cheap, right? So you can use any of them and register. So that's how to do it, and once you register, they will guide you on how to transfer your domain to your blog, and your blog will start bearing .com or whatever extension you put in there. So that is it, and I will recommend you doing this before applying for AdSense for easy approval and for easy review and stuff like that. So make sure you buy your domain before you do that. But even if you don't buy your domain, it's still allowed. You can actually apply for AdSense using the Blogspot, right? Just that you have a hosted account. If you're into blogging, you know what I mean by that. All right, you have a hosted AdSense account, right? Google will be taking larger percentage because they will assume you're earning from both YouTube and from blog and stuff like that. So with that being said, let's hop into how to actually earn from your blog. So click on this earning tab. So if you click on earning tab, you have to click on create AdSense. But if I click on this, it's going to take me to my old AdSense that got banned, right? Because I told you guys that my AdSense was banned because I was doing self-clicking, right? It take me there, I guess. Okay, your blog isn't ready to show ads yet, blah 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 blah. So they'll show you all of this. Go to AdSense. The go to AdSense is going to take me to my actual AdSense, which I don't want to receive right now. So if you click on it, it's going to set up your blog for ads, and ads will start displaying for your blog. But I'm going to show you a very quick way to get your AdSense approved, because you're likely not to get your AdSense approved at the first time you apply, right? Unless you're very pro that is good in SEO and stuff, and backlinks and all those things. So let's hop onto this site called Fiverr. So if you go on Fiverr, just type in Google AdSense approval. This is actually my account. So if you type in Google AdSense approval, you see people that will offer you services that will get your blog monetized within days. All right, so depending on your budget, click on this budget. All right, you can use $5 to get your stuff done. So click on budget. So click on max, let's say $5. Apply. If you apply, it's going to show you people that can actually do that for just $5, and they have very good rating. And this one said I will write 5 SEO friendly articles for Google AdSense approval. So SEO articles will make your blogs to get approved faster. I'll write a unique blah 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 for $5 and blah blah. Just go ahead and select them, and just once you find the one that suits you the most, I prefer people with higher ratings and also higher reviews. So let's go ahead and click on this one. So if you click on it, it's going to bring you to their profile, right? Just scroll down to where you get to contact the seller. Scroll down to contact me, right? So if you click on contact me, bring you to this page where you get to tell them what you really want. I want AdSense, and okay, let me start. Okay, I want AdSense. So get to tell him what you want and stuff like that. He will get to reply you back. I want AdSense, the message is too short. So okay, how do I get it? So I have a new blog available. Just go ahead and tell them very good stuff. Not really interested in a new AdSense account, but I'm just doing this for an example. Just go ahead and send it to them a message was sent. So he's going to see your message and then he's going to reply to you, and you pay them just $5 and they will deliver in 2 years. So this $5 will get you, for the basic plan, they will get you 800 words, 5 unique articles, SEO friendly articles for Google AdSense, plus premium stock images. So premium stock images are just images that doesn't have any link attached to it, that just they don't have any copyright claim. Alright, so it's actually good for a new blog to give you a very high ranking, because Google value um real content. They don't like copywriting. So this one, they'll give you 10 articles, that's for $10, and this one for $30, they'll give you 30 unique articles, and your blog will be ready for approval. So you can go ahead and try all of them out and you get approved. So let's say you've been able to build your blog, right? You've started getting visitors up to 10,000 views, right? I recommend Ezoic. You can use Ezoic with Google AdSense. They work together. Currently I don't use it because the new blog I opened just a few days ago only has like a little below 10,000 views. So once I clock 10,000, I'm going to apply. But notwithstanding, you can actually apply with less than 10,000 views. You can apply for this Ezoic, right? You can go ahead and go through it and then register your site. They actually pay more than Google AdSense, but the whole rating from Google AdSense is just there, so people always vibe with Google AdSense. But Ezoic pay more than that with less terms and conditions and stuff. Just with less than 10,000 views you can get approved, or even with 10,000 views alone you will get approved for your blog. So another one that I would recommend to you guys is this MediaNet. So MediaNet is actually for bigger blogs. So for a new blog, it might not get approved immediately, right? You need to build your blog to a certain extent before you get approved on MediaNet, and they have some kind of complicated terms and conditions as well, but they pay very very well. The pay is always good, and they work together with Google AdSense. So these are the various ways that you can actually monetize your site, and you start getting these results with little effort, right? The little effort of doing all of these things I showed you guys, and then putting in the work. The work is actually writing your own articles, posting them, being consistent, dropping content back to back and stuff. So with that, you can actually get your blog monetized within the shortest period of time. And this one I just opened a few days ago, right? I'm talking about this one. Okay, I already closed it up. So this one I just opened this few days ago. I believe in the next few days I'm going to get monetized, because the content I'm dishing out there is my real content, and I'm generating traffic organically. Right, I'm generating traffic organically, and that's what Google wants. So whenever the blog gets monetized, I'm going to do an update video showing you guys everything. All right, so with that being said, I'm going to bring this video to an end. Please remember what I said. If you're new to the channel, make sure you drop a like on the video, and please subscribe to my channel. These are the kind of videos I do, how to make money videos online and stuff. So I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video. Please remember to stay safe and peace out, and follow me on Instagram, and let's see in our next video. Peace out.